Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Aniko and I'm back at it again with another video. Okay, today's video is inspired by Dazzling Designs by Denise. Okay, in this video I'm just going to show y'all how I put together this mirrored jewelry box for my mama. Okay, I love my mama. Okay, so right here I have a total of 5 mirrors that I purchased from Michael's. I think they were like $2 or something, and then the girl had a coupon. Okay, so I got them for the low low. I just removed the backs, the sticky backs of the mirror. And then I'm just taking my black acrylic paint. You can use whatever color you want on the bottom of this box. Okay, honey? And I'm just going to put about, I think I did like 3 coats, just enough to cover that price tag, that little barcode on the bottom, because you can't be giving, your mama or anybody, a half, together box. Okay. You got to make it nice, clean, and presentable. Okay. So I'm just stroking and stroking away, okay, just until I cover that down there. Okay. And while you're just, painting, you don't have to be super, super neat because the mirrors will cover all sides of the boxes. So this mirror, I just took this and I painted it black, with acrylic paint because this is going to be the inside of the top of the box. So you just put that to the side and let that dry. Now, what I'm going to do, y'all, when I tell you this glue right here, this E6000 is amazing. I mean, it is amazing, okay? It holds stuff together. So I'm just taking this E6000 and I'm just, going to apply it all over the mirror. And I'm just going to, smooth it out and I'm going to attach it to the box. I like to apply a nice generous amount, okay? Because I don't want this box falling apart because like I said, I'm giving this to my mama. So I want it to be nice and I want it to, withstand and hold itself up, So I'm just spreading the E6000 all over, okay? Making sure I'm getting all of the mirror, okay? I don't want no spots without no glue, okay? And now on this little part, I'm just, as you can see, I've already started to, assemble the box. I'm attaching the mirrors. So what I did right here is I put my E6000 on there and I just, boom, just put the mirror right on top of the box. Excuse my hands were a little dry, okay? I've been doing a lot of arts and crafts that day, okay? So I'm just, making sure the mirror is lined up with the bottom of the box. And, I just flipped it. Hey, y'all see me in the background. My hair was cute that day. And right there, I did a little boo-boo because I had it the wrong way. So I had to turn it around. And so I'm just pressing down on it, just to make sure, it sticks to the box and readjusting it. Just to make sure everything is A-okay, okay? Because I'm giving this to my mama, okay? And I want it to be right. You heard? So I'm just, making sure everything's lined up with the bottom. And it's looking real good. Oh, my hair was really cute. Ooh. And so right here, as you can see, I've placed all of the mirrors. I mean, all of the mirrors on the box. And now all I'm doing is just assembling the top. This little rose tea light candle will act as the lid to the box. So what I'm doing, I'm squeezing this E6000 out, honey, okay? Because like I said, I've been doing arts and crafts earlier that day and I was running low. So like I said, I like to do a generous amount. So I'm just putting a whole bunch of E6000 on this because I do not want this to fall apart when I give it to my mama. Like, come on. You can't let her fall apart when you give it to your mama or to your loved one, because then they're looking at you like, this was a nice gesture, but it's falling apart. So I'm just going to take the candle holder and I just place it right in the middle of the mirror, and you got to press on it and hold it down. And this is my finished product, y'all. It's cute. It came out cute my first time. I just want to thank y'all for tuning in and watching, okay? Holla at your girl. Make sure you tell everybody on your block, at your school, where you live at your house, to follow your girl on all social media, okay? All the links will be down in the description box below, okay? And make sure you tell your aunties and cousins and Pookie and just everybody, to come and subscribe to your girl's page. I just want to say shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you for tuning in and rocking with me. I'm banging out some more videos right now as we speak, so we can have, some good content on the channel. But as always, you guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay classy, okay? Peace.